Hi everyone, with me today I have the Rolly Hanger. This is a multi-purpose closet organizer. It is absolutely amazing and can be used from anything from ties, purses, sports hats, scarves, and belts. It pretty much works like a carabiner. As you push down, it opens up. It's really easy, and what really blew me away is that you can add or remove items in any sequence by just spinning this around, which makes it super easy because I don't want to put in 10 belts and then have to take out all 9 to get to the first one. I can just rotate them around, and as you see here, you also have the little hook. You slide this in here and you can hang this on any closet rod, for example, and it swivels 360, making it really easy to fit anywhere. I absolutely adore this for belts specifically and for my sports hats as well. These are great and they make it so easy to organize my closet. They can hold up to 16 pounds, by the way, and of course they rotate 360 degrees. It is so useful and really going to maximize the space in your closet overall. I absolutely recommend you guys to check this out on Amazon. It's an awesome product and it's definitely going to get me a little bit more organized.